Take a ride in the 2022 Passport. This compact SUV from Honda is a good compromise of size and comfort. The compact design lets you maneuver well through heavy traffic while still having ample space to carry most anything you need. The Passport gives you the comfort of Honda reliability and quality and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, moonroof, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.